What is up, guys? So today I'm gonna be replacing the leak detection pump, or the VMTL pump as it's called from BMW. On the E46 model, it is located on the tank side, the gas tank side, which it is on the right side. And okay, I have the rear bumper removed since I was painting, but you don't have to remove the bumper, but you have to jack the car up. I use the ramps for this job, and all you need to do is jack the car up, remove this plastic piece here, which is held by like a couple of plastic clips, and as you can see here, and I believe there is 1 or 2 bolts on the other side. And then you're gonna have to take bring down the charcoal canister, because the LDP pump, it is connected to it and it's hard to work from here. My screws are kind of rusted, so I hope I'm not gonna have hard time with it to take it out. There are only 3 screws that holds the pump in place, and just 1 connector here, which is easy removable, and the connection on this side, and there is another connection on the back there, which is easy to remove. Just pull the pump backwards. But my problem, I think, gonna be the screws, because they are rusted, and we'll see. It was held by 3 plastic clips, which you have to pull with a screwdriver. 1 here, 1 there, and 1 on this side. And then we'll go under now and see. Okay. So the charcoal canister is held in place by 2 10mm bolts, which you're gonna have to take off, and then the charcoal canister has to fall down. I used some WD-40 to help them get loose, and I cleaned the place where you put the socket a little bit with something sharp, and those are 3 screws that you need a T20 torque screw to get them out, and we'll see. Okay, that's I got them all loose. There is 1. There is the 2nd, and the 3rd. Okay, I'll try to take the connector off. So we got it off. It is full of undercoat, full of grease. Anyways, we'll get the new piece out and match them, see, and compare them, see if they match. There is the new, there is the old one. It does come with a white piece there, but that doesn't really matter. Okay. The only difference I see here is that the new one doesn't have the rubber, so we're gonna have to take it off from here and install it on the new one, and then put it back in. And the second is that it doesn't have the tabs to open. I don't know what the purpose is. I don't think these are serviceable. Anyway, so this old one has tabs, so you can open the actual pump, and this one is glued together. I don't see any screw or anything around, so you can open it. But anyways, and that is the part number there, BMW 7193479. It is made in France. Okay, and that is made last year, June 26, 2017. There it is. We'll inspect this new one, this piece. Looks in good shape. There it is. We'll screw the screws back in and put the charcoal canister back in place. And don't forget to connect. Okay, so it's a push tab. Now we don't need to push anymore, just there. You have to hear that click. If you don't, then it's not in place. Okay, that is secure. That is back in place. The connector is back. So looks good. Time to put the plate, covering plate, and that is it for this job. And that is gonna be the video for today. So if you guys enjoyed, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.